Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet sweaters designs for girls and women. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and attractive designs shown to you people in it. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel Creation. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos, so friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So you guys can see different designs in it, different colors are being shown to you which you have never seen before. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave good comments. Please let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. We'll remember in prayer, and bye.